So to use the face mask, first of all, you want to make sure you wash your hands thoroughly, your hands are clean. Then you take one out of the bag. You find the side that has a stiff part in it that bends over your nose. That's the top. And then the color part, the blue is facing out, the white is towards your face. Then you take it by the loops and loop it over your ears. Then you adjust the top part over your nose, bend it so that there's no openings next to your nose. And then once you have that in place, you pull down the mask over your chin so that it covers your mouth and there's no openings on the sides or on the bottom. So it's really important to make sure that it seals tight around your face. While using it, you want to make sure you don't touch the outside of the mask, because that's where if there is virus or germs in the air, it will settle on the outside of the mask. Also, you never want to stick your finger underneath to scratch, and once you're done wearing it, you want to take it off by the loops and throw it away. After you take it off and you dispose it, you'll want to wash your hands again. So the situation in China is that they've really ramped up face mask production when the virus was going crazy there. Now they have the situation under control, so there's masks available. Because of the high demand globally, they're selling them at high prices, so we wanted to just get some in quickly and have them available. So we had to pay a pretty high price. We're not making big margins on these, so we're just trying to move some. And as the price goes down, as we can get a better price from our suppliers, we will lower the price and sell them at a fair price. We're not trying to price gouge or anything like that. And so don't hoard them, buy a few at a time, buy as many as you need for a week or so. I think the price will come down soon. Out of every shipment, we will donate a portion to medical workers that need face masks. By purchasing them from us, you help us supply more medical workers with needed supplies. So right now the Blue Planet shop is closed, so we do appreciate you supporting us by purchasing some face masks or needed products, and of course also supplies for water sports and equipment that we sell. So thanks for watching and thanks for your support. Take care, stay safe.